go! Today's surprise.
It is a trophy truck RC car.
A trophy truck RC car. Bring it in here, Jax. So Jaxie has been a really good boy, and he wanted to sell his RC monster truck, and he's been dying to get a trophy truck. It's all he's been talking about. You want help putting it on the table?
Yeah. You got it? Be careful. Oh, wow, almost. Get it up there. Nice job, buddy. Woo, is it heavy? Yeah? Alright, let's take a look here. Let's see the box. It's upside down.
So today we went to the hobby store and we got this Arrma, the brushed Senton 4x4 trophy truck. What do you think, Jax?
Good.
You love it? Can't wait to see it, huh? Alright, let's see the box here. So this is the brushed version. It's got a 12-turn brushed motor. It is the 4-wheel drive. It's got their own Arrma motor, it looks like, and their own ESC also. There's a brushless version, but for Jaxie, this is really all we need here. Okay, got it all. Says 30 miles an hour on the box. That might be with a pre-sale though, we'll see. We've watched a couple videos on these things and they seem to be super tough, so that's why we thought it'd be a great one for Jax. Alright, you ready to start opening it?
Yeah.
Got it? Oh my gosh. Alright, see if you can maybe now lift it out. Wow, I'll take this box out of here. Wow, bud, look at that. Oh man, what do you think of that thing? That is cool, huh? Hold on, hold on. Oh, that's cool. Look at it. So the clips, the body clips on there have little retainers so that when you take the clips off, they don't get lost, because that's something that always happens to us, huh? They always get lost somewhere. That's why you usually have extra ones on your controller. Pull from right here, not the rubber. Yeah, so you pull from here, and they just stick with the body. That's kind of cool. Wow. There you go, your new hat. Let's see. It looks good. I'm going to turn this light back. Wow, look at inside there.
I will just put it right here.
This is nice. Oh, it comes with a NIM battery, which we'll take out. We have a LiPo battery.
I'll just put it right here.
Okay, that's fine. Nice tires, huh? Nice shocks. How's it feel? Feels nice?
Yeah. It's heavy.
Heavy? I like these in the front, how it has kind of like mud guards to protect the body.
I wonder which side it goes. Maybe that way or that way.
Yeah, this looks like it's the front bumper on this side. This looks like it's the back. So let's take a look here. The shocks even have kind of a cool like mud protector on it.
It hits the ground.
Yeah, when it's fully compressed, it will go down all the way. Huh. Let's fix the camera here. Go ahead, do it again. Show them what you're talking about. So when you compress it, yeah, it will go ahead and go all the way. But that's okay. It probably shouldn't do that much when you hit like a big jump. But yeah, this thing's nice. Nice suspension. I have heard that we might need to do something about these shocks. They are like a bottom. Oh, put this in. They're a bottom fill. And I've seen Hot Racing make some. Yeah. Go ahead, get in the camera, Jaxie.
I ate a bagel.
You did eat a bagel right before this video, huh? I think there's still some on your face even. You silly man. Wow, this thing's nice, huh? What do you think? You like it?
If there was wood on it.
If there's a stud on there? Been playing with the stud finder lately because we've been talking about installing some racks in here. And we just installed some pictures and stuff. Let's see the bottom actually. Go ahead, flip it up, Jaxx. Wow, nice full skid plate down there. That's cool. Oh, it's a stud. And there it goes. First rollover.
There is some wood.
It's a stud. Just like you.
I saw there was look, there was
Control arms.
look it. There was
Oh yeah. Oh, you're a stud. That's right. Okay. So everything's plastic, of course, but that's not bad for Jaxx. If he breaks something, we can easily replace it for probably pretty cheap. I have seen that people really like these for maintenance because they have a very simple system. Hold on, bud. And I want to say this does just slide forward and can come off, yeah. Which it looks like it does. It just slides forward and then you can pop it off like that and already see it's off the back. And then you just pull on this tab right here. And I think this bottom plate slides and then everything can kind of come apart. Well, we'll see when we do some work on this. If we ever need to do that, hopefully it lasts you pretty good.
Can I try it out?
We'll try it out in just a minute. Let's see what else is in the box.
Okay,
Here, right in here. So what else we got in there?
Parts.
Some extra parts, some stickers,
If I lose some, I'll just put stickers on.
some extra stickers. What do we got? I can't tell what those are. It looks like some, here, you hold it for a sec so I can get the camera in. Oh, so some like collar rings for the shocks to make it a little bit higher maybe, adjust the ride height. Got some tools in there. And the instructions, of course, which we'll read through. And then, ooh, I think I know what that is.
The remote controller.
Yeah, let's see. Can you open it?
Maybe.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh. I didn't know it was open already.
Oh yeah, that's just like the one that came with my monster truck, huh?
Because it looks like it.
Yeah, and then we ended up putting that on your monster truck.
It is.
Yeah, same one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's the Spectrum, what is it, DX2? Oh, nope, STX2. Daddy was wrong. Spectrum STX2. But these are great. A lot of, let me adjust this again.
Daddy, I'm trying
A lot of adjustability in these.
I'm trying to look where the
It feels, you know, like just a normal plastic controller, but it worked pretty good. Yeah, we put it, hold on, but we put it on his monster truck and it actually got better range than his old Jaxx system. Alright, what's up over there? What are you saying?
I'm trying to look where turn this on.
The power button? Power switch? Well, let's see. Is anything else in the box down there? There's something in there. What's that white box? And then grab that bag. Oh, that bag is the binding clip. So if you put a new controller on it or if you need to rebind it for some reason, then you do that. What's in there? Oh, a wall charger. That's cool. Well, we won't be using that normal battery, but it does come with a wall charger. That's kind of cool. And these have the, I believe they're the EC3 plug.
Maybe only the steering just puts it on.
No, probably, there's probably an on switch on there. Oh, it's right here. It's this waterproof one. That's kind of cool.
I want to turn it on.
It's enclosed, so it can stay waterproof.
Can I turn it on?
Not right now. We don't have it plugged in or anything. We'll put your other battery in first and try it. So the battery has some battery straps on there. This is a hard camera to focus and film. There we go, some battery straps on there. Everything looks solid. I like this thing. I think it'll be really fun for you, buddy. Let's put the body back on, and then you can say goodbye to everyone. Hold on one sec, actually. Let me take a look here.
Do you want to see the battery, this body closer?
The body closer? In just a minute. Hold on. Hold on. So nice CVs. Nice plastic parts everywhere. I don't mind it. I like aluminum, but at the same time, these plastic parts are easy to replace, and they're pretty inexpensive. Oh yeah.
4x4.
Good job, yeah. So that means 4x4. So not like your old monster truck. All 4 tires will turn, the front and the back. Yeah. This is a nice body. You got some
But how would it turn?
fake lights. It still turns.
How would the
Nice wide body.
How would
Oh no, not like steering. Like they will all drive. They all send power from the motor to the ground. Wheels look pretty good. They're kind of interesting. But they're nice. This thing will be sweet. Nice beefy back bumper. I like that back bumper. Looks good. The rear shocks are big on this thing. That's nice. Can't wait to see you tear it up with this, bud. Yeah, it's gonna be cool,
I
huh?
already want to try it.
Yeah, I bet you do. Alright, see if you can get that body back on, and let's see how it looks with that.
I thought them want to.
See the body? Ooh, that's cool. Nice details everywhere. The paint is nice on it, huh? Yeah, it looks good.
I want to put it on back.
Don't put it on backwards. Put it on the right way. Oh, my alarm is going off that we gotta get ready to pick up your sister from the bus stop.
We gotta hurry.
You gotta hurry up. Well, luckily, this is almost done. Wow, look at how good it looks. And how good you look. Not too close. Too close. Alright, let's see. Turn it so we can see the front.
Yeah. Those are just stickers. Yeah, it's just stickers, not real headlights. But man, this thing is cool. It's big, huh?
I don't think there's a guy in there.
No, there's no guy in that one. But man, look at that.
We can maybe put a guy in there.
You might be able to. Rear's looking good. Oh, this has to go on the outside back here, buddy. There we go.
Once we scurf, it would make this.
When you scurf it. Yeah. I bet it's gonna do some good scurfs.
Can
Look
I
at that.
try it on the outside, please?
Let's do one quick drop video and see how it does. Ready,
I want to do it. Go.
set, go. Ooh, let's try one more.
I don't want you to break it.
I won't break last one. 1, 2, 3. Wow, what do you think? Try hold it up again so we can see how big it is. Hold it by you. Turn towards me. Oh my gosh. That is big. That is super cool.
Look at Ellie's light is bright.
Ellie's light is bright, so we can see everything. Alright. Well, that's it this time, yeah, bud? We'll go drive it. See how it does? Okay. Do you want to say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
If you like it, just do thumbs up.
That's right. Good job, my man. Bump it out. Nice. Alright. Until next time, where we'll drive this
Look
puppy.
at Ellie's Hello Kitty. That's
It's a good sign off right there. There we go.